Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Finance Minister Audley Shaw says the Jamaican government is moving aggressively to reduce its debt by 6 percentage points from 115% of GDP to 109% of GDP by the end of the current fiscal year. At a media briefing this morning, the finance minister told journalists the international capital markets are viewing Jamaica favorably, and thus last week the island was able to successfully execute 3 components of a debt management operation by taking advantage of this favorable international climate. So what did the government do?
First of all, we purchased $145 million in bonds that were maturing between 2019 next year and 2025. Now you might say, why do you purchase bonds that will mature in a relatively short time? Well, the reason for that is that those bonds, many of them were priced at 11% interest rate. So at every opportunity that I get to take out expensive bonds, I'm going to take it out. And the truth is that we would have taken out more had the market responded, but a lot of the people holding those bonds don't want to let them go because they are enjoying the 11%. Anyway, we took some out at $145 million. Then we are in a position from this debt management exercise to prepay some $526 million in debt that were issued in the local market under the Jamaica Debt Exchange. And we issued new longer-term debts of US $869 million that will now mature in 2028 and 2045. That is maturity profile extended to 10 years and 28 years respectively. The debt trajectory under the government's economic program is expected to fall to below 109% of gross domestic product by the end of this fiscal year. It is now at 115%. You remember we're coming down from almost 150% of GDP. We're now at 115%, and we're heading for 108.6% by the end of this fiscal year. So we are on a pretty aggressive downward trajectory in terms of our debt as a percentage of gross domestic product.
On the foreign exchange market, all 3 regularly traded international currencies weakened against the Jamaican dollar Friday. The benchmark American dollar declined by 23 Jamaican cents at an average selling rate of $128.41 Jamaican, while the Canadian dollar fell by 22 cents Jamaican to an average selling rate of $103.10 Jamaican. Sterling weakened by $1.62 Jamaican at an average selling rate of $165.59. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where the combined index made a modest gain of 46 points or 0.02%, as losses by a slew of financial stocks dampened any significant gains. The main JC index advanced by 97 points or 0.04%, while the blue chip Jamaica Select Index gained 45 points or 0.5%. 50 stocks traded, with 20 advancing, 25 declining, and 5 holding firm. Winners included Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Honeybund, K-Lee Group, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Financial Services, Mayberry Investments, Pulse Investments, Sagicor Group Jamaica, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Supreme Ventures. The losers included Barita, Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement, Express Catering, JMMB Group, Jamaica Producers, NCB Financial Group, Paramount Trading, Radio Jamaica, Scotia Group, T-Tech Limited, and Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, watch out for innovations at the Jamaica Co-op Credit Union League, the umbrella organization of the credit union movement. That's all we can say for now. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.